Yeah, a one time, Youngster. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Morris, the critic.
Yes, all right. Welcome. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon to everyone who is watching, wherever you are. Thank you so much for joining Maurice, the Crochet Master. And still, my name, I'm called Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, located in Ntinda, Ministers Village. So I've made this video, and I have a lot of questions in this video that I'm expecting from you guys. So the only thing I'm going to do, let's watch it, and I'm going to wait for your questions in the comment section so that I can answer you as immediately as soon as possible when you ask. So I made this video expecting your questions, so please don't let me down. Let's watch it, and then you ask me those questions, because I'm ready to answer you each and everything. And of course, right now we are trying to use the inward method of the inward knotless braiding, and this is how we are doing it for the natural hair. And again, to those ones with straight lax hair, you can still achieve the same hairstyle. Okay, so don't think that maybe it is only for the natural hair, or no, even when you have straight lax hair you can also have this hairstyle. But at the moment we are starting, we need to know how to do these inward knotless braiding as the way you can see it. So I'm waiting for your questions so that I answer you immediately.
Touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the cricket master, did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, no, no, no. Touch of a crochet master, it's so good, yeah. Hair by Clippers. ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Hair by clippers Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you we the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers shot callers tukola kwaba bazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy Everybody clippers we the best 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 Hair by clippers 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 Hair by clippers
Yes, so now what are those questions that am I expecting from you guys after you have seen this video? But for me, I'm waiting and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you all. But don't forget to give me a like.
We tolina chongamba Number one, you know a big thing this Bano beba number one Buli chimu bachikola from the heart Obukugu bwa pulo Temuli muyiga bona bachiso Nobody can ever run them Crochet master movie, him a run them Kuchembiri bakuwa Balinga high grade kwe basoma All of them are styles, them a do for you Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah For the beautiful woman, yeah Come around here by clippers, yeah They are by clippers fire Tolina chongamba Hair by clippers fire Yeah Oh na na Tolina chongamba Tolina chongamba